The people especially, they are so polite, and I like them. I like Korean people.
Really?
Yeah, they are very polite and honest.
The civil facilities,
Hmm.
they are actually
And
really,
safety
yeah,
and
safety,
transportation.
transportation,
Yeah, number
treatments,
one.
they are actually awesome in Korea.
그거나?
Ajak, ajak.
Oh my. Hey, hey, do you remember Aiza? A cute little girl. You probably saw some stories in my Instagram. I used to post sometime. So today is the last day in Korea. They are leaving for US tomorrow. So I was thinking to have a farewell meal with them outside, but we couldn't make it. So I thought, how about buying a farewell cake? So, oh my gosh. So that's why I'm going to buy a cake for them, and I'm gonna meet them afterwards. So yep, stick around. I came to buy cake here. I hope the cake shop that Paris Spaghetti. Yeah, is it correct? Whatever is open because it's weekend. Today is Sunday, so I'm not sure it is open or not. Oh gosh, it's open. This one. Thank God it's open. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go inside now. Oh, there's not much cake actually. Oh my God. Really? 혹시 케이크 이거밖에 없나요?
케이크요?
네.
네. 크림이요?
네, 네,
네,
네.
크림 케이크예요. 이쪽이 그
그거만 네. 알겠습니다. They doesn't have any other cakes except cream cake, you know. So day before yesterday we had cream cake. So I don't like to have the same cake again. So I'm gonna go to other shop. There is other shop around there. So I'm gonna go and check if there is any other cake I can get. So yep, let's go. The other cake shop is down there. So I hope it is open. I actually forgot where that cake shop is because I don't see. I wish I get it. Where it was around here. 더 가야 돼. Starbucks is there. 7-Eleven. So they also don't have any other cake except that cream one. So they said that there is one cake shop. What is called? I don't know the name. So I'm gonna go that way. It's there. They said that there is one cake shop here, but I went through here, but I didn't see. So again, I'm looking for it. I hope I get it this time. Where? I'm on bike, you know. Holy, how speed I am. I went through this way. I I left it behind. I didn't see it. It's open, right? So, oh my gosh, how speed I am. So now I have to get cake from here for sure. So yeah. So which one you recommend? I feel like I should go with. This is what? This is choco. No, not choco. So chocolate, Korean, dark cherry. I think these are, it's small and Korea is only two, so this getting small. I'll give it tomorrow. So let's get these on. I want to get these on. So finally I got the cake. It's a small cake, but yeah, I hope the meaning is not small. So yeah, from here. Toast. Can you tell me what it called? Toastless Zorts? Toastless Zorts? I don't know. What kind of name it is? Oh my gosh. So yeah, so let's go to Aiza's home. Yep. So I'm getting trouble. কালের মধ্যে হাত দিয়ে দেখতেছে বুড়া মানুষের মতো ও মাই গড আইজা বুড়ো হয়ে গেছে তো Aiza is doing her skincare now. Aiza, 뭐 이렇게 팔아ও 이렇게
이렇게 মানে কি ভাই?
মানে এইভাবে
ও এইভাবে।
Yeah. Ubo take out this.
এগুলোর থেকে লাভ নেই আমি
Do you know that this cat also going to US tomorrow? Yeah, this cat. They are taking this cat to US. Oh my gosh. Now I feel like why I'm not a cat. Hey, Tintun. Tintun, look at this. Oh, I'm afraid actually. This. তুই কাকে চলে যাচ্ছিস? So this is Aiza, as you may know her. Aiza, say hi. Inside, Aiza. Aiza. This
এই যে এটা দিয়ে খেলি আইজা
and this is Aiza's mother, my bhabhi, and Aiza's father. Yeah. So now I'm gonna ask them some question. They are leaving Korea tomorrow. Yeah, you are leaving Korea tomorrow, right?
Yeah,
So
actually.
where are you going now?
Now we'll move to Michigan, United States of America. So due to some research purpose, we'll move to Michigan, University of Michigan, Dearborn.
So how do you feel about that?
Now actually the feeling is like sadness, mostly sadness because we are
true.
leaving Korea, and like some feelings what will be happen in future.
I see. That means you are like kind of happy and sad at the same
Happy
time.
and-
Yeah. So
yes,
how long you have been living in Korea?
Actually, we have been living like 4.5 years.
4.5 years. Oh, huge.
Yeah,
Oh my God,
a
see?
long time.
It's like they lived in Korea 4.5 years, and she born in Korea. Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about Korea? How was your this like 4.5 years long journey in
It's
Korea?
actually, what can I say? Lots of memories in Korea.
Yes, sir.
Like after marriage, we just move here. So everything is start from here, and Aiza also born.
She born here, yeah.
And also I also achieved my PhD and then postdoc. Then now we are living to USA. Lots of memories. 4.5 years.
Yeah, I can see that. So, do you have any special memory about Korea?
Yeah, there are lots of like the working environment, the facilities like the civil facilities. They are actually
And
really
safety and
safety,
transportation.
transportation,
Yeah,
treatments.
Exactly.
They are actually awesome in Korea.
I see.
Moreover, there are also some delicious foods.
Oh, really? Do you like Korean food?
Some of them, not all.
Have you had any bad experience in Korea in last 4.5 years?
That much bad experience, but I think the main factor is like to maintain the hard work. all the time.
Yeah, like so. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you, thank you.
time, and I hope that you will have a good time in US.
Thank you also.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
So this is Aiza's mother, my beloved sister and Bhabi. So Bhabi, how was your Korean life these 4.5 years?
It was good, and I was so excited because when I know that I'm coming Korea and I will explore new country and I can visit so many beautiful places, and the people especially, they are so polite and I like them.
Yeah.
I like Korean people.
Really?
Yeah, they are very
Wow,
polite
wow.
and honest.
So as you said that you were excited to visit a lot of places.
Yes.
So how many places you have visited?
Not so many, few like Pohang, Busan,
Oh,
Seoul, Jeju, and Ulsan.
it seems like you visit everywhere.
I want
Oh my
to visit
gosh.
more places,
Yeah.
lots of places.
So do you have any special memory about Korea?
Yes, of course. I was pregnant here and she born here.
Oh,
So
yeah.
the experience was, I cannot explain.
I know.
I go.
Aiza, what happened? What happened? Aiza?
You want
she's
to eat
she's like
cake? Okay.
cake is attracting her.
Yes, she's very fond
Like
of
it's
cake.
it's a what is called a magnet, and she's the metal.
Yeah.
So-
Oh, what she's doing? You like
so
it?
Bhavi, do you
Yes,
have
yes.
any message for Korean people, or all together like?
Yes. Like they are very friendly.
Yeah.
But I know that they
Yeah,
are
yeah.
little weak in English,
Ah,
so they
okay.
don't want to speak with
Yeah,
foreigners.
exactly.
So foreigners are also friendly, so they can speak and
Yeah.
they can communicate.
Yeah.
They can make more. They can be more friendly with them. Nothing bad about it.
Yeah.
But they are friendly.
But
Speak
like,
more in English, and we will learn Hangul.
yeah, like yeah. So Aiza,
Aiza, do you want
so
to
Bhavi,
say?
thank you so much,
No, thank you.
and I wish you good luck.
Oh, thank you very much. We will miss you. You are a very good guy, and we'll miss you.
How about you guys? Like I'll miss all the food I have eaten in this room. Oh man, yeah.
We'll miss
'Cause-
the place, the
And also,
Yes.
people, and
Yeah.
everything.
Yes.
and I'll miss her a lot. Please do stop. Look at that. Short
Want to
video.
cut it?
Last message for Korea. What is that?
사랑해요.
Yeah, 사랑해요.
사랑해요.
Aiza.
Aiza, you can show heart.
Yeah, 사랑해요. Oh, he's trying.
사랑해요. Heart. Oh, heart.
Oh, look at this. Yeah. So yep.
Not now.
He's
আচ্ছা
excited
ইয়ারে কি
to.
বলে আচ্ছা ওই যে ফুহাক্কা একসাথে মানে কি ফুহাক্কা মানে কি একসাথে
What's up?
ফুহাক্কা ওরা যে বলে
Remember?
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আরেকবার
Yay! Yay! Tinggal suka aja.
না ঠিক আছে
Then okay. আমার কাছে রাখেছে আমি এবারে বুঝতে পারছি না।
এই
কি করেন? ওরা
1 2 3 হ্যাপি ফিউচার হ্যাপি বার্থডে
হাততালি দাও।
Happy?
Yeah.
You can cut it now. Okay. Yay.
하지 마. Look at this. Oh, cute. 뭐해? petal pintu 버리네. Oh my god. 버리자 봐. 버리자. Oh my god. 잠깐. 위험해. 잡고 있겠어. Oh my god. 손에 주지 되겠어.
사랑해요.
야, 사랑해요.
사랑해요.
Aiza.
Aiza, you can show heart.